Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Good evening, everyone, students. Welcome to free online coaching for Polycet and MJP RJC set. Now, I would invite Arun sir to start the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much. Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. All right. Quite a few students, quite a many students joined. All right. Students, our story Jatadhara Miro, Hero's inspirational story. Before I start physics, we're going to do refraction today. We'll continue with reflection and then move on to refraction. But before that, I would like to speak 2 minutes about that. Jatadhara, story Jatadhara. నచ్చిందా మీకు? నాకైతే చాలా ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ అనిపించింది. మీకు కూడా ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ అనిపించిందా? స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒక పాయింట్ మీరు నోట్ చేస్తే మనం కూడా మిడిల్ క్లాసే. మన జంక్షన్ మన సిచ్యువేషన్స్ కూడా అలానే ఉన్నాయి. ఓన్లీ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ వీ షుడ్ ఎయిమ్ బిగ్, డ్రీమ్ బిగ్. Do you all agree with that? Type yes in the chat box. We should all dream big, students. Aim high, dream big, aspire for more. Yes, Harshita, Saivardhan, Riya, Harika, all right, good. Shalini, all right, good. So very good, Riya, excellent. We should all dream big, excellent. I appreciate that, Riya. All right, so the only difference between Ambani and any other person with at the same juncture of life is he dreams big, the others don't dream big. Others settle down for ordinary. మనం just ordinary life కి సెటిల్ అయిపోతాం. కానీ మన సిచ్యువేషన్ కూడా అలానే ఉంటాయి. మనం కూడా ఓవర్కమ్ కావచ్చు. All right, let's move forward, students. With this note, let's go ahead. All right, here's the question we ended yesterday, students. Discontinue చేశాను ఇక్కడ. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ నుంచి కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాము. Look at the question again. I did not reveal the answer yesterday. The focal length of the concave mirror in the experimental setup shown below equals definition of focal length and the ray diagram, students. అది అర్థమైతే మీకు చేయగలుగుతారు. Make an attempt, students. Okay, one answer is 4. Okay. Yeah, Harika. Okay, I'll tell you the question, students. క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే ఈ సెటప్ లో మనకి ప్యారల్ రేస్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ ప్యారల్ రేస్ వెళ్ళి మిర్రర్ కి హిట్ అయ్యి కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ కి హిట్ అయ్యి ఒక పాయింట్ కి ఫోకస్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో దట్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ ఫోకస్. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ అడుగుతున్నారు. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ నుంచి మనం ఫోకల్ లెంత్ కనుక్కోవాలి. మనకి స్కేల్ ఇచ్చారు కింద. ఇక్కడ డయాగ్రామ్ నుంచి మనం ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ని క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసుకోవాలి, మెజర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా హరిక? Is it okay? ఆ ప్యారల్ రేస్ ఇచ్చారు. సో ద పాయింట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఫోకస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్? డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద పోల్ అండ్ ద ఫోకస్ ఇస్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్. మనకి పోల్ కి ఒక లైన్ ఇచ్చారు. ఫోకస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అది పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేశారు. ఆ డిస్టెన్స్ మనం క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాలి పోల్ నుంచి ఫోకస్ వరకు. Excellent, Riya. You got the answer. Absolutely right. Very good. Yeah, but there are answers which are wrong. I want everyone to attempt, students. Under attempt change. It's a good question. Optics is very interesting, students. Ray optics, especially. Ray diagrams, master cheste, you can crack any damn problem on Earth, on the planet. Okay, option 3, option 4, option 1 good icharu. What is option 1, by the way? Okay. All right, let me reveal the key, students. It is 1.2 centimeters. 3 is the answer. Now think how. Now correct yourself. ఇప్పుడు ఆలోచించింది 3 ఎందుకు వస్తుందని. మనం 0 ఎక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నాం? పోల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? పోల్ నుంచి ఫోకస్ మనం మెజర్ చేస్తే మనకు ఫోకల్ లెంత్ వస్తుంది. కానీ మీరు 1 ఆప్షన్ ఎలా వచ్చింది? మీరు 0 నుంచి మెజర్ చేశారు. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 మెజర్ చేశారు. కానీ నాకు డిస్టెన్స్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్ మెజర్మెంట్ ఏంటి? పోల్ నుంచి ఫోకస్ వరకు. From pole to focus. Now look at the answer. Now tell me, are you convinced with the answer? Yes, the ones who have gone wrong, are you all convinced? Today we have got lot many questions in refraction, students. I should go faster. But because it's a good question, I'm spending a bit of time on this. తప్పు ఎవరెవరు పోయింది. So for those students, I'm again telling you, are you all convinced with the answer? All right, good. I'll go for the next one. Excellent student, excellent response. Keep the energy high for the whole session. Good. Here's the first question. Next question, students. Second question. The angle of incidence for a ray of light passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror is 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 0 degrees, 180 degrees. Simple geometry question, students. Angle of incidence are students. How do you measure the angle of incidence? If this is concave mirror, if this is my ray from center of curvature, how do I measure the angle of incidence? I will measure the angle of incidence with the normal. Angle made by the incident ray with the normal is angle of incidence, right? Now think of it. It is not 90 degrees, students. It is not 90 degrees for sure. You'll have confusion between 90 and, okay, if I say that, you'll get to know the answer. But I want you all to try. What is so special about 45 degrees, students? Under 45 degrees చెప్తున్నారు. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See, the question is, here's the question, students. Just a second. I'll just tell you the question. ఇది concave mirror ఉంది. ఇది principal axis. ఇది center of curvature. From center of curvature to this. If I draw ray, this is my incident ray. Normal ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Normal will be same passing through center of curvature. This is the normal to the mirror. Now this ray is incident ray. He is asking angle of incidence of this incident ray. Angle of incidence ఏంటి? If I have got a plane surface like this, if this is my incident ray, this is the normal, this is my angle of incidence. I get it? Right, this is my angle of incidence. So this is my incident ray. Normal kuda akkade coinciding with the incident ray. So what is the angle of incidence? Zero kada? Did you all now understand? Excellent. I'm now getting the answers. Good. Excellent. Yes, it is 3. Shalini is right. Riya is right. Praniti is right. Taruni, Gayatri. Excellent. Harika, now students, now you got the point. Was it clear? Be careful, students. ఎప్పుడైనా incident angle of incidence వినంగానే you should get the angle between the incident ray and the normal. Normal ముందు రావాలి. మీ మైండ్ లో normal visualization రావాలి. Normal to the curved surface. And angle between incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence. All right, let's go for the next one. Here, students, here. Another question. It's a look and say question, students. మీకు ray diagram గుర్తుంటే look and say question. A student wants to obtain an image of the same size as that of an object using a concave mirror. He should place the object at infinity between f and 2f at the center of curvature between pole and focus. Very good, students. Keep the energy high. In question complete check munde answers vastunayi. Excellent, students. That energy is being transmitted to me. Thank you so much for that. Excellent. Yeah, I want all the answers, students. There are many students here, hordes of students, but answers, there are still 20 more students who are supposed to answer. Please interact. Andar answer cheyandi. Tappu poina, that's okay. We have crossed one battle successfully. Now we are being ready for another battle, which is Polycet. Yeah, there is a wrong answer yet. Okay, wrong answer వచ్చింది, students. ఒకటే వచ్చింది wrong answer. It is not one, students. It's not an infinity. He says object size, image size, same undali. That happens only at center of curvature, right? If you keep a concave, for a concave mirror, if I keep it at center of curvature, I'll get at center of curvature inverted. But he is not bothered about whether it's inverted or not. He says same size undali. Same size effort ఉంటుంది at center of curvature ఉంటుంది. All right, let's go for the next one. Now, students, now let's move on to refraction. Refraction లో 3 questions discontinue because of the time constraint discontinue చేసి కాబట్టి అది చేశాను. Now let's do refraction, students. All right. ఇక్కడ కూడా look and say questions ఉన్నాయి. Look and say అంటే yeah, thank you so much, Shiva. Thank you so much. Let's continue. Look and say questions అంటే చూడంగానే చెప్పగలవాలి. ఇంకొక questions formula based questions ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకొక question numericals ఉన్నాయి. Again, ray diagrams, if you master ray diagrams, most of the questions will be look and say. Let's go ahead, students. The process of refraction involves dash of light ray except when it is incident normally. Meaning of refraction, students: straight, reflect, bending, curve. The very meaning of refraction: the ray gets fractured. The ray which was going straight, it gets fractured. That's why it's called refraction. In Greek, sorry, in Latin. Excellent, excellent response. Okay, Taruni has a confusion. That's okay. Okay, it is not reflect, students. Bending, students. It's bending. 3. It's bending. Bend out kada. When the ray is incident interface, it bends either towards the normal or away from the normal. This bending is called refraction. The ray is getting fractured. No, fracture అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? Bend అయిపోతుంది కదా. So that's called the ray is being bent. The ray is getting fractured. That's why it's called refraction. All right, here is the next one. Good. If light ray enters from rarer medium to denser medium, then refracted ray moves dash the normal, towards the normal, away from the normal, none, travels the interface, grazing the interface. That's what it means. Rarer to denser, students. Yes, consistent response. Excellent. I'll wait for another 5 seconds. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, students. One wrong answer, students. One wrong answer. Towards the normal undaladi. Actually, it bends towards the normal. That's absolutely right. But one student, I don't know why, either you not have read, you not have read the options properly. Please go through the options properly, students. Towards on the, away on the, none on the, travel along the surface on the. Towards is absolutely right. Let's go for the next one. Here's the factual question, students. దీంట్లో ఏం లాజిక్ లేదు, ఫ్యాక్ట్ గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి ఇది. Which one of the following is the refractive index of rock salt? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో లాజిక్ ఏం లేదు, చామ్ కూడా ఏం లేదు. ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ మెమరీ బేస్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఆఫ్ వాల్యూ గుర్తుంటే మనం మార్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఒకవేళ వాల్యూ మీకు గుర్తు లేదంటే దట్స్ ఓకే, మీరు ఇప్పుడు గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. సో దట్స్ వై జస్ట్ గివ్ యూ 5 seconds ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Done. All right. Yeah. Answers are pouring in, but let me reveal the key. It's 4, students. All right. It's not 3, it's 4. Yeah. Ishwant had a confusion. That's okay. Yeah, I have released the key, students. Now you stop answering because key is already released, right? All right. Great. Good, good, good. But you remember this. Usually, even I forget it. I get the confusion between 1.52 or 1.54 usually. But for rock salt, it is 1.54, students. Refractive index is 1.54. For water, it is 1.33 usually, 4/3. For glass, it is 3/2 usually. All right, here's the next one. If the refractive index of the medium increases, the speed of the light in the medium dash increases, does not change, decreases, none. What happens to speed of light, students? Increases or decreases? Okay, Maniteja, excellent. Agnivesh, good. Rakesh, okay. Monica, that's okay. ఏమంటున్నారంటే refractive index is nothing but in a way it's a measure of the speed of light in a medium, right? It will tell you to what extent the speed will increase or decrease in a medium. Refractive index is nothing but n is equal to c by v, where v is the speed of the light in medium. So v is equal to c by n. If n increases, what happens to v? Inversely proportional, right? So n increases, v decreases. Yes, you are right now, Monica. Excellent. It decreases. Good. It's not one student, it's three. Increase కాదు, decrease అవుతుంది. ఎక్కువ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంటే అక్కడ స్పీడ్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది, దేని ఈ లాజిక్ పైన ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది, అక్కడ మీరు కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ అర్థం చేసుకుంటే అక్కడ కరెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఆల్రైట్, దర్ ఆర్ మెనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ లైక్ దిస్. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం చేసుకుంటే ఫర్దర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ బాగా చేయగలుగుతారు. ఆల్రైట్, అలా అలా కరెక్ట్ చేశాను నేను క్వశ్చన్స్. ఆల్రైట్, లెట్స్ లుక్ ది నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Again, another question, similar question on the same concept. Speed of light in denser medium be v1 and rarer medium be v2. Which of the following is correct? Equal untunda, greater untunda, lesser untunda, or lesser than or equal to untunda? Same concept, students. Medium denser unte speed takku ayipotundi. Medium rarer unte speed ekku ayipotundi. In fact, speed takku aithe manam denser medium antam. Or it's the other way around. Okay, speed in the denser medium should be less or more. Be careful with the inequality, students. ఒకసారి inequality చూసుకోండి students. v1 తక్కువ ఉండాలా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలా డెన్సర్ మీడియం లో? డెన్సర్ మీడియం అంటే n is more. n is more అంటే v should be less. Monica, think again. Yes, Rakesh, excellent. Pranati, Gayatri, Jnaneshwar, Priya, Harika. Monica has changed the answer. Very good. It's correct now. Navneet, Saivardhan, good. Good. Hanish, you cannot have equal velocities in two different mediums, Hanish. I'll reveal the key. It is v1 less than v2. Excellent. The ones who I mentioned too, Saivardhan, Monica, Navneet, Harika, Gayatri, Jnaneshwar, Riya. So many students have answered too. Excellent. And Saicharan has mentioned that inequality. Good. All right. Let's look at the next one. The light ray incident dash to slab surface does not undergo deviation. Okay, interface on the students. Yeah, Monica, I got your confusion. You're right now. That's good. So light ray incident dash to the slab surface does not undergo deviation. I'm getting the answers already. Parallel, perpendicular, equal, or away. Before I complete the options, I'm getting the answers. I really appreciate the energy, students. Okay. Okay, interface with the students. Here's the interface. Here is the interface. ఇలా రే వస్తే ఇలా బెండ్ అవుతుంది. But if the ray comes perpendicular to this one, will it deviate? If the ray comes perpendicular to the interface, will it deviate? It won't deviate, right? Yeah, now the answer is right. Absolutely right. Good. Excellent. Let's go for the next one. Here, students, the daily experience. The coin kept at the bottom of a vessel filled with the water appears to be raised, disappeared, lowered, decreased in size. Will it appear raised? పైకి కనిపిస్తుందా, కింద కనిపిస్తుందా, డిసపియర్ అయిపోతుందా, ఆర్ సైజ్ చేంజ్ అయిపోతుందా? Excellent, consistent response, but there is one answer which is wrong. ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మనం ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో మ్యాథమెటికల్ గా డీల్ చేస్తాం with a ray diagram and also analytically, geometrically and analytically, both. That's really beautiful. When you come to intermediate, we'll do it. If at all we are again in touch in intermediate, ఖచ్చితంగా చేద్దాము. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో మళ్ళీ కలిసి చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. చాలా మంచి స్టూడెంట్స్ దొరికారు నాకు. All right, excellent answer. It's 1 raised. Excellent students. It doesn't disappear. Students, it doesn't disappear. పైకి అనిపిస్తుంది కదా. All right, let's go to the next one. When a coin is in water, we are actually observing the dash of the coin, original image of the coin, reduced image of the coin, enlarged image of the coin, apparent image of the coin. Just a use of technical terms, students. Coin is very small compared to the dimensions of the bucket, presumed like that. Okay, there's a technical term, students. That's why you're going wrong. That's okay. Tappupoyaru, that's okay, but I'll reveal the answer. It's apparent image. 4 students. We are looking at the apparent image. Apparent అంటే అలా కనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. అలా కనిపించే ఇమేజ్ మనం చూస్తున్నాం. రియల్ ఇమేజ్ చూడట్లేదు, అపరెంట్ ఇమేజ్ చూస్తున్నాం. రియల్ డెప్త్ అపరెంట్ డెప్త్ అంటాం చూడండి. అలా అపరెంట్ డెప్త్ అంటే అపరెంట్ అంటే దట్ సీమ్స్ లైక్ దట్, సీమ్స్ టు బి డిఫరెంట్ దాన్ యాక్చువల్. అపరెంట్ అంటే అలా కనిపిస్తుంది, కనిపిస్తున్న ఇమేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, రియల్ ఇమేజ్ కాదు. ఆల్రైట్, ఇట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఫార్మ్స్ ఎ వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే? ఇది గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ తప్పు వెళ్ళారు అందరు, తప్పు మోస్ట్లీ ఆల్ నాట్ మోస్ట్లీ అందరూ తప్పు వచ్చారు, బట్ దట్స్ ఓకే. యా, ఐ గాట్ 1 or 2 ఆన్సర్స్ which are right. Yes Maniteja, you can. All right, let's go for the next one. If angle of refraction is less than the angle of incidence, then the light bends dash the normal away towards parallel perpendicular. Angle of refraction is less than the angle of incidence, students. Akshita, why are you focusing on chemistry now? Saturated carbon compound, methane and all. All right, focus on reflection right now, Akshita. Methane, propane, butane, అవన్నీ తర్వాత చూసుకోవచ్చు మనము. We'll do chemistry as well, but right now focus on refraction. All right. Okay, I got mixed response. Yeah, Akshita, that's okay. All right, here's the key. It's towards the normal, students. Angle of refraction is less than angle of incidence. Refraction is angle of incidence కంటే refraction తక్కువ ఉంది. So it is bending towards the normal. It is going from rarer to denser medium. Okay, let's go for the next one. Again, a factual question, students. ఇది మీరు గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలని చూపించాను. Which of the following is the refractive index value of a crown glass? Crown glass ది వాల్యూ ఏంటి? యూజువల్లీ నేను కూడా మర్చిపోతాను, బట్ ఐ రిపీటెడ్లీ రివైజ్ సో దట్ ఐ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్. అలా మీరు కూడా అలానే చేయండి. So because it's factual question, I will not give any much stress on this question, but it could be an important question. ఇలాంటి questions వస్తున్నాయి, Polycet లో వస్తున్నాయి. Okay, good. You all almost everyone knows the answer. Good, excellent. It's 3. Absolutely right, students. For a crown glass, it's 1.52, students. Yes, yeah, absolutely right. Good. Your memory is better than mine. Good, excellent. Okay, here's the next question. How many refractions occur on passing through a glass slab? ఒక గ్లాస్ స్లాబ్ నుంచి రిఫ్రాక్షన్ రే పాస్ అయితే గ్లాస్ స్లాబ్ నుంచి, నాట్ జస్ట్ ద ఇంటర్ఫేస్. స్లాబ్ అంటే 2 ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో హౌ మెనీ రిఫ్రాక్షన్స్? Consistent response. Excellent. One wrong response. Okay. Good students. Chala mandiki, almost everyone has got the right answer, but see, my focus has to be everyone students. Each and every student is important for me. So that's why I'm also focusing on the ones who have gone wrong. Akkada chala important students. Tappu poina okay, but correct chesukodam important. That's why I'm just spotting the students who have gone wrong. Andaru correct cheptunnaru, but there are 2 students who have gone wrong. So please be careful. I'll reveal the key. Please note it. It is 2 students. Ela ante I've got a slab like this. This is the incident ray. Ikkada refract avutundi. Malli ikkada refract avutundi. So refraction 1, refraction 2. So 2 refractions you'll have. Are you able to see the board? Okay. Yeah, 2 refractions. Excellent students. Okay, let's go for the next one. Oh. Students, before we continue to this question, look at this. I have an important announcement. Students, ఒక గూగుల్ ఫామ్ పంపిస్తున్నాము. దాంట్లో మీరు ఫిల్అప్ చేసి మీరు డౌట్ సబ్మిట్ చేయండి. ఇంకా మీకు ఏ టాపిక్స్ లో సెషన్స్ కావాలి అది ఫిల్అప్ చేయండి. సో డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ దాట్ విల్ డిజైన్ అవర్ సెషన్ సో దట్ టు మీట్ యువర్ నీడ్స్. సరేనా? ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఎవరో మీ సాచురేటెడ్ కాంపౌండ్స్ అని అడిగారు డౌట్స్ అని. ఇప్పుడు రిఫ్రాక్షన్ లో. సో ఇఫ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ యూ హావ్ గాట్ ఎనీ స్పెసిఫిక్ డౌట్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ చాప్టర్ యూ వాంట్ టు బి రీవిజిటెడ్, టు బి రివైజ్డ్ ఇన్ అ డిఫరెంట్ వే, to be revised in more detail, then you tell that in a Google, submit that in a Google form. Our team will look into it and we'll design a new session catering to the needs of your doubts, your all the students. Sarina students, link pettari chudandi. You all understood what I meant? A Google form ni fill up chesi me doubts inka edaina specific doubts or any chapter, specific chapter you want to be dealt with, any such thing you have got, you please mention. All right, the link is again mentioned again. All right, do submit to Google Form, students. Such things will help us coordinate better. మేము ఇంకా బాగా చెప్పగలుగుతాము, మీకు ఇంకా బాగా అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు కూడా చెప్పగలుగుతాము. మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ మిగిలిపోతున్నాయి అంటే yes, definitely Bhavita, you will have biology section also. You please just mention all that you have. See, any questions మీరు ఇక్కడ అడుగుతున్నారు కదా, అదే అక్కడ పెట్టండి. వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ కి పెట్టచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు గూగుల్ ఫామ్ కూడా ఉంది, దాంట్లో ఫిల్అప్ చేయొచ్చు మీరు. సరేనా భవిత? You will have biology also. Don't worry about it. All right, let's go forward. All right, here is the question, students. The speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. If speed of light in vacuum is 3 times 10 power 8 meter per second, calculate the refractive index of water. Students, ఇక్కడ తప్పు అవుతుందంటే యూజువలీ refractive index of water చెప్పంగానే మనం 1.33 అనుకుంటాము. అది స్టాండర్డ్ వాల్యూ, దట్స్ ఓకే. But sometimes because of some impurities or some different specifications, మన speed of our refractive index of that particular solution, which is could be impure water, could be different than from 1.33. So water చూడంగానే 1.33 మార్క్ చేయకండి, క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసుకోండి from speed of light and speed of light in medium. So what is refractive index n? N is equal to C by V. C is given, V is given. 10 power 8 gets cancelled out. So 3 by 2.25. Yeah, so it turns out to be 1.33. That's okay. But don't go by memory that water చూడంగానే 1.33 పెట్టకూడదు, అది తప్పు. ఆల్రైట్, ఇక్కడ 1.33 టర్న్ అవుట్ అవుతుంది, దట్స్ ఫైన్. బట్ వాటర్ చూడంగానే 1.33 అనుకోవద్దు, అప్పుడప్పుడు డిఫరెంట్ కూడా కావచ్చు డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఇక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే 1.33 వస్తుంది మనకి, దట్స్ ఫైన్, దట్స్ గుడ్. Yes, it's 1.33 students. Absolutely right. 3 is absolutely right. చాలా మంది 3 చెప్పారు. గ్లాస్ కి యూజువల్లీ 1.5 ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎవ్రీ టైం. గ్లాస్ చూడంగానే మనం 1.5 చెప్పకూడదు. All right, let's go for the next one. Yeah, how do you calculate this? Harika, N is equal to C by V, where C is the speed of light in vacuum and V is the speed of light in medium. C ఇంత ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ. C ఎంత ఇచ్చారు? 3 into 10 power 8. V ఎంత ఇచ్చారు? 2.25 into 10 power 8. 10 power 8 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎంత మిగులుతుంది? 3 by 2.25 మిగులుతుంది. So simplify further. Is it okay, Harika? Use the formula N is equal to C by V. C is given, V is given. You will get N. Yes, almost everyone has answered 3. But if all you have done by memory, that's, you got it right. Luckily, you got lucky here, but that is not the actual way of doing it. All right, you should calculate by using the values given. N is equal to C by V. Is it okay, Harika? Yeah, look at the next one. Just exactly the similar question, but here he has not mentioned the substance. He's asking the refractive index for the substance. N is given, N is required, C is given, V is given. Quickly answer. Okay. Students, 2 is impossible, students. 2 is impossible because it cannot be less than 1. Refractive index for classical materials cannot be less than 1. Right? It has to be greater than 1 by definition. All right. So I've got N is equal to C by V. Yeah, I'm getting consistent response. Okay, but there is a question. Someone has already put it out. Okay, Bhavyasri. Bhavyasri, it is like this. N is equal to C by V. C is 3 times 10 power 8. By V is 1.25 to 10 power 8. 3 by 1.25. That is nothing but, further simplify 3 by 1.25. You get 2.4. 2.4 is absolutely right, students. Option 1. Everyone has gone right. One student has gone wrong. It is not 3.75, students. All right. Calculation to children. 3 by 1.25. So that is 300 by 125. 25 fives. 12. 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is 2.4. Yeah, good. You got it? Good. Here's the next one. A light ray passes from a medium X to another medium Y. No refraction of light occurs. The ray of the light hits the boundary of the medium Y at an angle of, again, just a simple look and say question. It should hit at an angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is again measured with, angle of incidence is measured from the normal. So be careful. 0 ఇంకా 190 లో confusion ఉండొచ్చు మీకు. 0 ఇంకా 90 లో confusion ఉండొచ్చు. Yeah, that is 90 degrees to the medium's interface, but angle of incidence would be 0 degrees. All right. Angle of incidence has to be 0 degrees. So answer is 0, students. Excellent. Most of the students have given me right answer. But as I told you, there could be confusion between 0 and 90. That's why I'm getting answers as 0 and 90 only. All right. And there is nothing special about 45 degree, students. Always remember, there's nothing special about 45. All right. Let's go for the next one. See, no refraction of the light ray. No refraction అవ్వాలంటే ఇలా ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఉంది, ఇలా వెళ్తే రిఫ్రాక్షన్ అవుతుంది. Light is being bent. Light is being bent. But he said no refraction should take place. That means light should not bend. Light fracture కావద్దు. Refraction is the fracture of the light ray. అప్పుడు ఎలా అవుతుంది లైట్ రే ఇలా రావాలి, పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ది సర్ఫేస్ రావాలి, పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ది ఇంటర్ఫేస్ రావాలి, పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ఇంటర్ఫేస్ రావాలి. అప్పుడు పర్పెండిక్యులర్ వస్తుందంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఫర్ ఎ రే పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ది ఇంటర్ఫేస్? Angle of incidence is 0, right? If a ray is perpendicular to the interface, angle of incidence is 0. That's why 0 degrees. All right, let's go forward. Students, మీరు Google form send చేయాలి students. Only 11 students పంపించారు ఇంకా. See, our team is very keen and intent on serving you, on providing better services to you. So please cooperate. మీరు form fill చేయండి, form పంపియండి. It doesn't take much time. All right. Okay, the ones who have completed, I appreciate, but the ones who haven't done, it's for your good, students. చేయండి. మీరు form fill up చేస్తే we'll be better able to design a session so as to cater to your needs. We'll be able to address your needs in a better way. All right. Yeah, the ones who have completed, I appreciate, but the ones who haven't done, please do it. This is for your good. See, all these facilities are being provided only for your good, students. అది మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఎంత అడ్వాంటేజ్ తీసుకుంటే అంత అడ్వాంటేజ్ తీసుకోండి. You just squeeze out the advantage out of us. We are here to help you out. We are hand holding you. చేయి పట్టుకొని మేము తీసుకెళ్తున్నాం మీకు. Okay, we have got a list of topics. స్టూడెంట్స్ మాకు లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టాపిక్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఫామ్ ఫిల్అప్ చేశారు. ఏసీ అండ్ డీసీ జనరేటర్ అని డౌట్ అడిగారు, కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ అని అడిగారు, ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిజం, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్, బయాలజీలో ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ లో 8th ఇంకా 12th అని అడిగారు, ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ అని అడిగారు, కెమికల్ బాండింగ్ అడిగారు, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్, ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిజం చాలా మంది అడిగారు, ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆఫ్ మెటలర్జీ అడిగారు, కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ కూడా చాలా మంది అడిగారు. Yes, we will surely see to it that these are addressed. All these chapters are again dealt in a proper way, in a better way. We'll do it. So thanks for submitting, but I want everyone to submit, students. Under submit system, we'll have a better coordination. We'll have a better idea how to cater to everyone's needs. అందరికీ చెప్పగలుగుతాం. ఇది రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ లాగా చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాం. మేము ఆన్లైన్ ఉన్నా కాబట్టి కూడా అయినా కూడా మేము రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ లాగా కండక్ట్ చేద్దామని అనుకుంటాం. రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, మనం బాగా ఇంటరాక్ట్ చేయగలుగుతాం కదా రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ లో. అలా మేము ఆ లెవెల్ వరకు రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి మేము ఇది చేస్తున్నాం. సో దట్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో బ్యారియర్ ఎట్ ఆల్. ఈ ఆన్లైన్ బ్యారియర్ లేకుండా మేము చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాం. So please cooperate with our students. You send change Google form. We'll again check after some time. I want everyone to send, students. All right, let's move forward. Under comprehension, students. All right. It doesn't take a minute. It doesn't take a minute. Even take a minute. All right. It just takes less than a minute. All right. Moving forward. Angle of incidence is 45 degrees. Angle of refraction is 30 degrees. Then refractive index of the material is. No, students, this is not prism. Maniteja, ఇది prism కాదు. This is just between interface. Angle of incidence 45 degrees ఉంది. Angle of refraction ఏమో 30 degrees ఉంది. So you use sin I by sin R. Excellent, Meenakshi. Good. Maniteja, this is not a prism question. On prism that you need angle of deviation. We are doing refraction only, not prism. Yes, Meenakshi, excellent. 1.414, she has mentioned. Okay. Gayatri, good. Riya, good. Saivardhan, excellent. Malesh, good. Pavani, Navneet, Monica, okay, good. Okay. Yes, Monica, that's right. It's very simple, students. Angle of incidence 45 అన్నారు. Angle of refraction 30 degrees అన్నారు. Assume this is air, this is denser medium. It's going from rarer to denser. He is asking refractive index of the denser medium. So what do? N1 sin theta 1 is equal to N2 sin theta 2. 1 sin 45 is equal to N sin 30. Sin 45 by sin 30. Refracted ray లోపలికి వెళ్తుంది. Denser medium ki. How do I know this is denser medium? Because it's being bent towards the normal. Yeah, now I got the answers. Did you all understand? Harika, did you understand? All right, let me reveal the key. Excellent. Good. Manitija, you are right now. Manitija, good. Let's get the key. Absolutely right. 1.414, row 2. Excellent. Let's go forward. Here, students, this is a look and say question. Chudangane cheppali. NA is equal to 1.08, NB is equal to 1.008, NC is equal to 2.4, ND is equal to 2.15. So which of the following is true? Speed of the light is minimum in medium C. Speed is minimum in B. Speed of the light is maximum in medium A. None of the above. This is a look and say question, students. Our concept మీరు సరిగ్గా తెలిస్తే look and say చూసి మార్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. It's a look and say. Look and say. చూడండి, చెప్పండి. Refractive index ఎక్కువ ఉంటే స్పీడ్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. All right, that's what you know. Refractive index తక్కువ ఉంటే స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. I repeat, refractive index ఎక్కువ ఉంటే స్పీడ్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Refractive index తక్కువ ఉంటే స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Now you think about it. Yes, Riya, excellent. Sai Charan, good. Gayatri. Okay, I don't know what your name is. It's written as Jet. I don't know who that is, but Jet ani rasaru. Tappu answer icharu. I don't know what your name is. It would be better if you mention your name, students, instead of writing Jet here. See, I mentioned my name. My name is Jet Arun. All right. Yes, Sai Charan. Excellent reasoning. It's one is absolutely right. Yes, Sai Charan, that's absolutely right. Others are also absolutely right. But there are students who have gone wrong. చూడండి, బీలో మినిమం ఉండదు, బీలో n మినిమం ఉంది, సో మాక్సిమం ఉంటుంది. స్టూడెంట్స్, మీరు జెట్ అని మెన్షన్ చేయకండి స్టూడెంట్, దట్స్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్. జెట్ ఇస్ ఫర్ ద స్టాఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. Arun, Jet Arun Adi, Jet because I am working for Jet. That's for the staff students. Under staff పేరు Jet తో ఉంటుంది. Please change your name to your name, actual name. All right. Please cooperate. All right. Let's look at the next one. Acha, look at this. NB is minimum. So speed of light in B would be maximum. If I were to mention maximum, that would be in B. Yes, Shruti, I'm getting your comments. Yes. All right, let's go for the next one. See, I'm unable to read all the names because most of the names are correct. So I'm not focusing on the ones who are correct. I'm appreciating them. But the ones who are going wrong is what I'm bothered about. మీరు కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి, తప్పుపోతే కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. Look at the question now. If n1 is equal to 3 by 2, n2 is equal to 4 by 3, the critical angle of dense medium is sin inverse 9 by 8, sin inverse 4 by 9, sin inverse 8 by 9, sin inverse 8 by 17. Yeah, so sin inverse of n2 by n1 is C. Okay, correct. There is one wrong answer. Malesh is right. Bhavishri is right. Gayatri is right. Shruti is right. Yeah, Shruti is right. Sai Vardhan. Agnivesh is right. Rakesh is right. Pranati is right. All right, very good. Let me look at the key students. Absolutely right. 3 is absolutely right, students. But there are students who have gone wrong. 1 కాదు, మీరు n1 by n2 చేసి ఉంటారు. అలా కాదు, n2 by n1 చేయాలి, students. Yes, I can. That's excellent. All right, let's go for the next one. Light can move faster in dash air, hot air, cool air, wet air, any air. Any air is nonsense. So hot air, wet air, cool air. Think of it. Think of that and answer. Faster in. Medium వేడిగా ఉంటే డెన్సిటీ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఆప్టికల్ డెన్సిటీ తగ్గిపోతుంది. ఆప్టికల్ డెన్సిటీ తగ్గిపోతే స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Okay, we are talking about optical density, students, not material density. Optical density is different from material density. All right, let me know with the key. Yes, excellent, excellent. It's hot. Pranati is right. All right, let's go for the next one. Factual question, students. Which of the following shows the relation between refracted ray and incident ray when the light ray travels from denser to rarer medium? It's a very simple question. Think of a ray diagram and you're done. Okay. Let me look at the key. Yes, 2 is absolutely right, students. Yes, Pranati. Yes, absolutely right. Very good. Monica is right. Many students are right. I'm unable to read all the names which are right. In fact, almost all are right. I didn't see even one wrong answer here. Let me just look into it once again. There was one wrong answer. Yeah, a couple of wrong answers are there. So please correct yourself. All right, we are in the next stage of the battle, students. ఒక battle అయిపోయింది, ఇంకొక battle, ఇంకా 2 battles ఉన్నాయి. All right, in the war is on. All right, let's look at the next one. Here, which of the following is the refracted ray? For the given lens, the incident ray is coming from left, passing through F1. Which of the rays N, L, M, N, and K, KLMN is the refracted ray? It is passing through F1, hits the lens. Which kind of lens is this, students? Which kind of lens is this? Yes, Monica, that's right. Monica, that's right. Yes, Sidhu. Priya, right. It's a convex lens. Excellent, Mahesh. You're all interacting. You're all listening to me. I just thought you're just blindly punching the key in the keyboard. No. Good. Thank you. Thanks for the participation. All right, let's go ahead. F1 నుంచి pass అయితే ray that will emerge out parallel to the principal axis, right? So that's K. K is absolutely right. Yes, almost everyone is right. Let me just look at the answers. Is anyone wrong? Yeah, there is one student who is wrong, but who has identified it correct at lens, but has gone wrong. That's okay. Correct yourself, students. Yes, I said that's absolutely right. That goes parallel to the principal axis. A ray passing through F1 will go parallel to the principal axis, and that's a convex lens. Converging lens. All right, let's look at the next one. Over here, L, M are parallel rays. So K is dash of the convex lens. Is it F1, F2, center of curvature, or pole? And it mentioned concave lens. Look at the symbol as well. It's concave. So what is the dash? Fill the dash with C1, P, F1, or F2. It definitely cannot be center of curvature, students. And definitely cannot be P. All you'll have a confusion between F1 and F2. Is it first principal focus or second principal focus? Is the front focal point or the rear focal point? Ah, right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yaneshwar, Rakesh, Haicharan, Gayatri, Shruti, Sai, no, Sai. Yes, Haicharan, that's right. Monica, right. Harika, right. Bhavyasri, excellent, right. Sai Vardhan is right. Monica is right. All right. Shruti is right. Good. Let's go. Absolutely right, students. There are students who have mentioned 4. It's not 4 students. F2 would be second focal point. Ray directed to F2 will emerge parallelly for a concave lens. But ray going parallel to the axis will emerge as if passing through the F1. When I extend those rays backward, they pass through F1. All right, let's go for the next one. Again, a definition of emergence angle. Angle of emergence. Angle ela measure chestaru meeru. Which of the following is called the angle of emergence? Emergent ray and refracted ray. Angle between emergent ray and refracted ray. Emergent ray and normal. Emergent ray and refracted ray. Emergent ray and critical angle. The angle between okay, Shruti says 2. Excellent. Pranita says okay. Rakesh right. Gayatri is right. Saivardhan is right. Monica is right. Yaneshwar is right. Siddhu is right. Sai Charan is right. Sai Charan has got a lot of patience. He's typing the whole answer. I appreciate that. Yes, Bhavishri is, what is your Bhavishri answer? It is 1, okay. Okay, look at the key students. It's emergent ray and normal. Manam angle, any angle we measure with respect to normal. Be it incident angle, emergent angle, or reflected angle, anything, any ray, we measured it with respect to the normal. All right, let's look at the next one. When total interreflection occurs, the relation between angle of incidence and critical angle is total TIR occur ayinappudu. TIR avutundi. TIR is total internal reflection is in short is called TIR. Total internal reflection ayinappudu, when the ray goes from denser medium to rarer medium, when there is total internal reflection, angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle or less than critical angle, he's asking, or equal to critical angle. That's what he's asking. Okay, most of the answers are right, but I want even more answers, students. Chala mandi inka iవ్వలేదు answer. Okay. ఇది ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఉంది. పిఐఆర్ అవుతుంది. ఇది యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్. ఇది రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే. పిఐఆర్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఇస్ ఐ. దిస్ ఐ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ సి ఆర్ లెస్ దెన్ సి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సి అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? when this is C, this is graze the surface. When this is C, when angle of incidence is C, the refracted ray will graze the surface. When the angle of incidence is little more than C, they'll get reflected in the medium, denser medium. That's why it's called total internal reflection. Usually we have partial reflection, but this is total reflection. Have you now understood? Yes, now the answers are right. All the answers are right. Excellent. All right, let's go forward. Yes, one is absolutely right, students. Good. Please pardon me, students. I'm going a little faster. Sorry for that, but we want to cover as much as we possibly can. మీరు కొంచెం మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి, యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రివిజిట్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదంటే ఒకసారి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, బికాస్ యూ టు అప్లోడ్ సమ్ గుడ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఒకవేళ మీరు అప్డేట్ కాకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదంటే మీకు నాట్ ది అలర్ట్. సో ఐ సజెస్ట్ యూ డూ దట్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. At critical angle of incidence, the refraction is the angle of refraction, students. Adi typing mistake akkada. At critical angle, the angle of refraction is 90, 60, 180, 270. ikkada ichanu diagram ikkada undi, board meedane undi diagram. Angle of refraction is at critical angle. When the angle of incidence is critical, yes, absolutely right answer. All right answers. Excellent, students. I'll go for the next one. Yes, Shruti, Gayatri, Bhavishri, Monica, Shalini, Pavani, Saivardhan. Saivardhan, angle of incidence, he's saying, we measure with respect to normal. All right, normal nunchi measure chestam, students. So be careful. We don't go anti-clockwise or clockwise. We directly go from normal to the refracted ray. Sorry. Yes, you're right now, Saivardhan. You have changed your answer. Good. Let's go for the next one. Here you have to fill in the blanks with denser or rarer words. When the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, note, when the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, the light ray gets reflected into dash medium at the interface. That is, light never enters the dash medium. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection. All right. So what does the first sentence say? Critical angle nunchi ekko unnappudu angle of incidence, light ray is being reflected into which medium? Is it denser medium? Is it rarer medium? When the incident ray angle is more than critical angle, it is being reflected into the denser medium, and light never enters the rarer medium. So first is excellent. Yeah, critical angle, Saicharan, is the angle at which the refracted ray grazes the interface. That's called critical angle. All right, we'll deal with that in more detail. Don't worry about it. But as of now, what you understand is angle of incidence for which the refracted ray grazes the interface, or angle of incidence for which the angle of refraction is 90. Angle of incidence for which the angle of refraction is 90 is critical angle. Why is it not critical and all? We'll deal with it later. Right. When you come to intermediate, we'll deal with it. All right, let's go for the next one. It's denser and rarer. Excellent, students. So students, it enters. So if you have gone wrong, it's not 3 students. It's 4. Yes, you're right now. Yes, excellent. Let's go for that. Let's go forward. A ray incidence with angle 45 degrees angle on the surface of slab, then it emerges with an angle of 90, 30, 45, 60. For a slab, what happens, students? Slab to deviation enta untundi? Deviation untunda untada? ఒక స్లాబ్ తీసుకుంటే స్లాబ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ టూ ప్యారల్ సర్ఫేసెస్. Two parallel interfaces is called a slab with same medium on both the sides. Two parallel surfaces with same medium on both the sides is called slab. ఇక్కడ ఒక మీడియం ఉంటుంది, మధ్యలో ఒక మీడియం ఎన్ అనుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఎయిర్ లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ వాటర్ రెండు సైడ్ వాటర్ ఉండి మధ్యలో ఒక స్లాబ్ ఉంటే దాన్ని స్లాబ్ అంటారు. Students, you have got English after this, so please be quick in answering this question. Yes, 45 is absolutely right, students. Excellent. So there's no deviation. Whenever you have a slab, there's no deviation at all. Deviation is 0. Refraction to untai kani deviation undadu. All right. Thank you so much, students. You'll have English session right after this. I request Gayatri ma'am to take over, ma'am. Ma'am, over to you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Please take over, ma'am. Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing well. Let me share the screen. All right. Yes, students. So today we are in English, we are seeing about the synonyms and antonyms. Is my voice clear, sir?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
little feeble, ma'am. It's little feeble, ma'am.
Just, yes, sir. One second.
Not like usual. It's little feeble.
My volume is full only, sir. Okay. Yes, 1 second. All right. Yes, students. So today we will be doing the synonyms and the antonyms. All right. Yes. So for your convenience, I have written the meaning of each and every difficult word. So you need to find out either the synonym or the antonym as put in the statement. All right. So the first question is select the synonym of indict. All right. So before we select the synonym of indict, we need to know the meaning of each and every option. All right, students. So the first one, it is implicate. Implicate means to show that something is involved in something, something in an unpleasant way. All right. And the second option is elude, which means to escape. And the third one is charge. So it's a general word, isn't it? To charge somebody. And fourth one is manifest. It is to show something. Being the first question, let us do it for you. It means it is charge. All right. So indict means to charge. All right. See the next question. Select the synonym of lucidity. Yes. So lucidity in general, it means very clear, very free flow, very clear. All right. And the options given over here is fluidity. Second is politeness. Third is clarity. And fourth one is fluency. I think now you all students will be able to select the correct option for lucidity. And before you choose, you should be very clear whether it is a synonym or an antonym. So synonym means meanings, antonym means opposites, isn't it? All right. So now tell me, put it in the chat box, the meaning of lucidity. Let me check the chat box. All right, here it is. Okay, Monica, Anita, All are giving me the same answers. Let's see. Yes, perfect. It is clarity, something very clear. All right, see the next question. Right, so you need to select the synonym of deluge. Right, and what is it? The meaning of deluge is a sudden heavy fall of rain. Right, so and the options, confusion is to get confused. Deception is make others to believe something that is not true. I hope you can understand something which is even things which are elusive, So we tell them that we make them to believe it. All right. So that's deception. And next is flood, that weapon, that also right. So now give me the synonym of deluge. Let me see how many are giving me. How many correct answers? Gayatri, Monica. Okay, all are giving me flood. One says it is flood. All others, yes. Almost all are saying it is option 3. Let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, it is perfect. Good. See the next question. Select the synonym of appraise. Right? And what is appraise is to evaluate, right? To give some judgment. Right? So now for this, you need to give me the meanings. All right. So one is accuse. Accuse is to find fault, right? So you always accuse others, isn't it? Means you always scold them or find fault. Praise is to appreciate. And the word appreciate also means the same. And the fourth one is judge. Now give me the synonym of appraise. Right. So let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Harish. It's Hanish. Monica. Okay. Sai Charan, Malesh. Malesh, check your option. Gayatri, Pavani, Sai Vardhan, Vaishmini. Okay. All right. Many more. It is actually going right. So many has given me option 3 and many has given me judge also. That is option 4. Yes, it is judge. Right? Yes. See the next one. Select the synonym of preponderance. So what do you mean by preponderance? So there are 4 options given to you. One is preeminence. So preeminence means something very outstanding, right? Second one is dominance. So dominance is a kind of dominating. Third one is domineering. That is having a strong character and wanting to control. Some people they are very rough and tough, and they'll always try to have control over others. So we can say that that person is a very domineering person. The last one is preoccupation, right? So it means that you're worried about something. Is it clear? So when you do a work, if you are preoccupied by something, then the work that you are doing cannot be done properly because your mind is preoccupied, right? Yes. Now give me the synonyms of preponderance. Let me see how many are giving me the answer. Okay. So many says 4. Hanish, Pranati, Monica. Just a second. Monica, Shruti, Bhavyashri, Navaneet, Swapna. My God, it's really running. Many. Almost all have given me the answer. Excellent. It is dominance. Okay. So preponderance. All right. See the next question. You need to give me the synonym of brisk. Right. So they say usually have a brisk walk. What do you mean by that brisk? All the options are very easy. Maybe puzzled means confused. That alone you may require, isn't it? All other words are usually routine words. Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Okay, Ria, it is done. We are moving on to the next one. Okay, Monica is 2. Okay, many are giving me Gayatri, Sai Vardhan, Sai Charan, Hanish, Shruti, and so on. Yes, many says it is option 1. Let's see. What is the correct option? It should be option 1, which is quick. All right, yes, good. See the next one. Select the synonym of pale. Right, so this is also something easy only. Is it a mug? Is it a container? Is it a bucket or is it a vessel? Let's see. Quickly give me your answers. I don't think it requires any time for you. So quickly you can give me the answer. Vaishmini, Swapna, Rajeshwari. Okay, 1 second. All right. One student says bucket, ma'am. Gayatri, Monica. All right, all right, all right. Let's quickly see the answer. It is bucket. Perfect. See the next question. Select the synonym of condone. Is it ignore, or is it overlook, or is it forgive, or is it forget? Yes. So this also should be a simple one, which means it is an overlook. See the next question. Select the synonym of absurd. So 4 meanings is given: diligent, ridiculous, brisk, complex. All right. So quickly give me the synonym of absurd. Synonym is meaning. All right, students. So don't get confused with antonym. Synonym is meaning. So this is totally absurd. Means what? Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Okay, Sai Vardhan, Bhavyashri, Monica, Ria, Yaneshwar. All right, all right, all right, all right. Fine. Yes, students. Let's see the answer for this. This is something ridiculous. You would have heard your teacher scolding you, isn't it? Select the synonym of, what is absurd? So when we do something which is not correct, when we do something which is very bad, so how is it our teacher scold us? It's absolutely ridiculous. Why did you do this? Isn't it, students? All right. So with that, we come to know that what we did is wrong. All right. See the next question. Select the synonym of solitary. So what is solitary meaning? Is it sad? Is it voluntary? Is it subtle? Or is it lonely? All right. Yes. So solitary reapers, you would have read about William Wordsworth, isn't it? Yes. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. The synonym of solitary, is it sad, voluntary, subtle, or lonely? Shalini, Vaishmini, again Shalini. Okay, this is again B Shalini. Once again, let me see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes, Ria says Gayatri. Okay, lonely, lonely, lonely. Many lonelies are coming. Let's see what is the correct answer for this. Yes, it is lonely. So what is solitary? It means that it is absolutely lonely. All right, see the next question. Select the synonym of Pacific. What do you mean by Pacific? Is it extensive? Is it peaceful? Is it deep? Or is it white? Yes, is it extensive? Or is it peaceful? Or is it deep? Or is it white? So we would have heard about the Pacific Ocean, isn't it? So what is the meaning of the word Pacific? Have we ever thought about to know why this word, why this ocean is called as Pacific? Right. So if you all do not know, probably from this you will come to know. Let's see whether anybody is giving me the right answer. Let me see. Shruti, Galaxy says deep. Okay. Shruti says option 4. And how about others? I'm getting different answers. Yaneshwar. Okay. Monica, Swapna, Gayatri. Okay, and so on and so on. Now it's everybody's giving me the answers now. It is peaceful. All right. So see how beautiful the ocean has been named as Pacific Ocean, which means that it is very peaceful, very calm. All right. Yes, good. See the next question. Select the synonym of wander. What do you mean by wander? Is it ride? Is it desire? Or is it roam? Or is it treat? Yes. So 4 words are given. Quickly find out the meaning of wander. So no words needs any explanation because these are all commonly used words. All right. So let's see how many are giving me the answer for this. Vardhan, Vaishmini, Agnivesh. I'm getting different answer. Okay. So one say it is 2, the other says it is 3. Yes. Rajeshwari, Gayatri, all right, and so on. Let's see. Yes, it is roam. Yes, don't keep wandering from here to there. Means don't roam from here to there, isn't it? All right, see the next question. Select the synonym of taciturn. All right, so there are 4 words given here. One is gloomy, the other one is sarcastic, the next one is upset, and after that, silent. So before we find out the synonym of taciturn, let's know what is taciturn. It's nothing but something which we cannot communicate. All right. So with that, now quickly find out what is gloomy. Is it gloomy? Is it sarcastic? Or is it upset? Or is it silent? All right. So I think let me give you the answer for this. It is silent. Something, when we are not able to communicate anything, so we are absolutely silent, isn't it? Yes, that is how you choose the correct synonym for this. All right. See the next question. Select the synonym of fury. Is it shout? Is it scold? Is it frown? Or is it anger? So the only word that needs meaning is frown, is to look with anger. Okay. So when she saw the movie, she was totally frowned. Yes. All right. Let's see now how many are able to give me the answer. The synonym of fury. Okay. Let me go down. Yeah. All right. So Swapna, Gayatri, Shalini says, ma'am, it is anger. Okay. Okay. So students, attendance form is given to you, so you can just fill it. All right. Yes. Sai Vardhan, Monica. All right. Let's see. Fine. It is nothing but anger. Though frown has a close meaning with anger, but the exact match for the word fury is anger. All right. Yes. See the next one. Select the synonym of tirade. So there are 4 options given to you. So before going on to the option, what is tirade? It's nothing but a long, angry speech. So we speak, out of when we become so angry, and the speech that is coming out during our anger. All right. So 4 options. One is trade. Second one is praise, appreciate, applause is also praise. Next is rant. So the meaning of rant is to complain about something in a very angry way. All right. So I'm sure now you will be able to connect between the tirade and one of the words in this, which is supposed to be the synonym, isn't it? Let's see how many are able to give me the correct answer. All right. So many says it is option 4. Yes. Right. You are right. Okay. Fine, Monica, Gayatri, almost all are giving me. All right. All are saying it is option 4. Yes, it is option 4. See, the close meaning between the word tirade and rant is to complain about something, or when we are in a very angry mood, then what is that we speak? All right. Yes. See the next question. Select the antonym. So see from here, the word antonym is used. So what do you mean by antonym? It's the opposite. All right, students. So you need to give me the antonym of invincible. So in many movies, you would have heard, I am invincible, isn't it? So what do you mean by that? I am now powerful. Nobody can defeat me. So I am very powerful. All right. So what is the opposite of the word invincible? 4 options is given. Is it small? Is it invisible? Or is it vulnerable? Or is it reachable? So for your convenience, I've given you the meaning of vulnerable, which means it's weak. So reachable is simple, invisible is something that you cannot see, small is very small. Small is, something which is opposite to big, right? Fine. So now let me see how many are able to give me the antonym of invincible. Yes, it's literally running. Many says, okay, there's a confusion between option 4 and option 3. All right, it should be option 3 because it is vulnerable, something weak. Weak is the opposite of powerful, isn't it? See the next question. Select the antonym of inoffensive. Inoffensive. So 4 options are given: sensitive, organic, sensible, rude. All right. So this should be a very easy one. This means the opposite of inoffensive is rude. All right. See the next question. Select the antonym of divulge or divulge. So there are 4 words given here. One is conceal, disguise, oppress, reveal. All right. But before we find out the antonym, let's know the meaning of divulge. It says that to tell something that is very secret, right? So whatever the secret that is being maintained, that is being disclosed, right? And among the 4, conceal is to hide. Okay. Disguise means, we take up another form and then we show it to others. Okay. Third one is oppress. To treat a group of people in a very cruel way. Reveal is to disclose. All right, students? Yes. Now I'm sure you'll be able to give me the correct answer. The antonym of divulge. Many says 4. Okay. Yes. How about others? All right. One says, ma'am, it is conceal. Okay, Vaishmini, and one more student says is conceal, but others are saying it is option 4. All right, let's see. The answer is conceal. Yes. Fine. So divulge is, to tell something that is secret. So you're telling the secret out. Conceal is you're hiding it. So that should be the opposite. All right. Yes. See the next question. Select the antonym of discord. Right. So what do you mean by discord? Discord is a disagreement. So you are not saying okay to any argument or to any agreement, and you want to argue about that you don't like it or that is not correct. Okay. All right. So 4 options are given. One is harmony. Harmony is having a peaceful. Okay. Next is serenity is calm. Acceptance is to accept. Next, placidity means peaceful. All right. Yes. I'm sure you will be able to give me the answer for this. Right. So let's move on with the answer. It is harmony. Okay. So there should always be a harmony between the workers and the management. Okay. Right. So that could be the best statement. Right. Select the antonym of mammoth. right? So quiet, antonym is opposite, okay? So is it quiet? Is it significant, or is it huge, or is it small? All right, so I can give you the meaning of mammoth. It was a mammoth achievement done by our cricket team. Okay. Yes, I'm sure with this you will be able to understand the meaning and quickly give me the antonym of that. Let's see how many are giving me the antonym of this. Okay, Sai Charan, Agnivesh, Shalini, Vaishmini, Anita, Gayatri. Okay, the names are actually running. Harika, Sai Charan, what is it? You want me to tell it again? Okay, mammoth means something, a great thing. Okay, it was a mammoth achievement by our cricket team. So now you need to give me the antonym for this. Okay, all right. See, the antonym of that is small. So something very big, very great, something which is not small, something which is not easy, isn't it? So for that, the opposite could be small. Okay, right, good. See the next one. Select the antonym of destructive. Okay, so 4 options: structural, constructive, damaging, static. Right? So it's a very simple word. You need to give me the antonym of destructive. So what do you mean by destruction? Don't demolish, don't waste it, don't spoil it. Okay, so these are the different meanings that can be given for destruction. All right, so now let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Small man. Okay, one student says small. Saivardhan. Okay, he gives me one option. Rajeshwari, Agnivesh, Anita. Okay, okay. Vaishmini, Gayatri, Ria. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is constructive. Okay. So destructive is something you're going to bring it down. Constructive is something that you are going to make it. Okay. Right. See the next question. Select the antonym of corrupt. Right. So nowadays the politicians are becoming very corrupt. Right. So that could be the best sentence. So 4 options are given. One is honest, unclean, heartless, hateful. All right. So give me the antonym of corrupt. So give me the options, whether it is honest. In honest, H is silent, isn't it? So it is honest, unclean, heartless, hateful. Yes, let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Yes, let me check the chat box. Okay, honest ma'am, 1111. Okay, almost all are clicking option 1 is the right answer. Yes, it is. Yes, perfect. So what do we say? That we should be very honest, right? So we should never be, we should not corrupt others, nor should we have this corrupt mind, isn't it? Yes. See the next question. Select the antonym of prominent. So prominent means what? Something which is very clear, isn't it? Right. So now 4 options are given: notorious, obscure, wicked, hostile. Yes. So prominent is well known. That also you can say. Right. So give me the answers very quickly. Which could be the best suitable antonym of the word prominent? Let me check the chat box. Not all answers could be seen because we need to cover more. Okay, many says obscure. And okay, Saivardhan, Gayatri. Okay, right. All right. So many says Pavani. Many says obscure. Yes, it is not well known. Perfect. So one sentence for prominent. That hero is a very prominent person, not only in North, but even in South. Not only in North, but even in South India. So prominent is very, everybody knows him, very famous. So what could be the opposite for that? It's obscure, so not known to others. All right? Yes, see the next question. Select the antonym of malignant. So 4 options are given. One is mortal. The second one is internecine. Third is benign. Fourth one is lethal. So these words are little, not often we use these words. So please understand the meaning of this before you select the antonym. That is the opposite. All right. So what is malignant? It is tending to produce death. All right. So mortal is what do we say? They cannot live forever, right? So what is internecine? Something destruct. Benign is kind or gentle. Lethal is can cause death. Yes. All right. So being little difficult words, let's do it for you. So we can say that it is benign, something very kind or very gentle, which is not destructive. Okay. All right. See the next question. Select the antonym of hostile. So 4 words are given: host, proud, systematic, sympathetic. So what is hostile? It is nothing but having every strong feelings against somebody. All right. So having every strong feelings against somebody. Right. So now host, people who are conducting the show. Proud, systematic is doing things, everything on time as per the plan and systematically. Sympathetic is showing sympathy towards others. All right. So what would be the best antonym for that? For this word hostile could be sympathetic. All right. See the next question. Select the antonym of peril. So the meaning of peril is, great danger. All right. So 4 options are given. One is fatal, mortal, uncertainty. The other one is safety. Right. So the opposite of the great danger or peril is safety. All right. See the next question. Select the antonym of arcane. So what do you mean by arcane? Is, it is known to very few people, and this is little difficult to understand. So 4 words are given. All 4 are little challenging words, which is not being used by us in a day-to-day basis. So one is mystic. Mystic means imaginary. Next is recondite. Recondite means difficult to comprehend. Recondite. Next is esoteric. It means that likely to be understood by only a small number of people. Right. The 4th one is hackneyed, having been overused. All right. So we need to find out the antonym of this arcane, known to very few people. So what is the opposite for that? Is it is being overused. So only people who know, many people know it. So it is being overused. So that is how we match the word arcane with hackneyed. All right, students, here, see the next question. Select the antonym of stingy. Stingy means what? We say he is a very stingy, very conjuice person, isn't it? Right? So now you need to give me the antonym that is the opposite of the word stingy. Is it extravagant, or is it self-sufficient, or is it spiteful, or is it broad-minded? Very simple one, a very direct question. It is nothing but extravagant. All right. See the next one. Select the antonym of humble. Is it diffident? Is it tentative? It is obsequious, or is it pretentious? Yes, students. So let's do it for you. It is pretentious. Okay. The antonym of humble. All right. Select the antonym of compendium. Expansion, reference, precis. or precise outline. All right. So I think this can be done by you all. Okay. 1 second. I think I have to go down. Okay. Outline. Okay. Let me see. Extravagant. Okay, that's we done. Okay, fine. I've come here. So many says it is option 1. All right. Is it option 1? We'll see. Yes, perfect. It is option 1. All right. See the next one. Assume heirs. What do you mean by assume heirs? It means, now see, you need to select the option which means the same. All right. So we can say to pretend superiority. Right. So heir is something which is not, which is very high, isn't it? So that is how you connect the words. So pretend to be superiority. All right. See, cold comfort. Is it absurdity, or is it deception, or is it slight satisfaction, or is it foolish proposal? So here you need to select the option which means the same. We can say cold comfort means it is slight satisfaction. All right. Next is play truant. Is it play a tyrant, stay away from duty, be responsible, or is it be alert? All right. So you need to select the option which means the same as to play truant. So it is stay away from duty. All right. This is a very easy one. Beggar description. Is it cannot be described? Something described by a beggar, or it's a poor account of something, or a description of a beggar. Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Students, quickly give me the answer for this. Okay. Just a second, let me come down. Agrivesh. Okay. Okay, Gayatri. Many says. Okay. Fine. So with this, we'll end the class. Quickly give me the answer. Yes. Okay, many says option 1, which is perfect. It cannot be described. Yes. Fine, students. All right. So with this, we close for today. Over to Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, I hope all of you have understood the class. And sir, chat లో గూగుల్ ఫామ్ పెట్టారు. మీకు ఏమన్నా టాపిక్స్ అర్థం కాకపోయినా, మీకు మళ్ళీ డిస్కస్ చేయాలి, వేరే టాపిక్స్ ఏమైనా డిస్కస్ చేయాలి అని మీకు ఏమన్నా అనిపించినా, యూ కెన్ ఫిల్ ఇన్ దట్ గూగుల్ ఫామ్. దాన్ని చూసి మేము క్లాసెస్ కూడా షెడ్యూల్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో బీన్ కెప్ట్ ఇన్ ద యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ చాట్ ఆల్సో. యూ కెన్ go through that Google form from the live chat, those who are seeing, those who are watching live. And if you have any doubts, you can message to 9642215226. And another thing is, MJP set ki apply చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళు hall tickets download చేసుకోవచ్చు. And Polycet ki last date to apply is 28th of this month, that is 28th April. ఓకే. అండ్ చాలా మంది యూట్యూబ్ లో వీడియోస్ చూస్తున్నారు, బట్ ఛానల్ కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవట్లేదు. ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ టు ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ జటాధర ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ టెక్నాలజీ. అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి కూడా ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి జూమ్ మీటింగ్. ఇక్కడ ఎవరైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఫేస్ చేస్తే, నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం, యూ కెన్ లాగిన్, యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ త్రూ యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్. కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ పదే పదే జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు. ఐ థింక్ దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ అ నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ. సో నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ ద్వారా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. And please don't leave the class in the middle. It's me benefit kosame. 7:30 to 9 కూర్చోండి. ఒక మహా అంటే ఒక 10-20 minutes ఎక్స్ట్రా అవ్వచ్చేమో, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ యువర్ సేక్. అండ్ అగైన్ టుమారో we will meet by 7:30. Please log in by 7:25. Bye everyone, students, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.